Mascara Life, and today we are creating a bold, edgy, rock-inspired makeup look. I have already fixed my eyebrows with eyebrow gel, so we are ready to move on to the next steps. Let's start with foundation. First, let's create a flawless base. You can start by applying your foundation directly with your fingers. This warms up the product and helps it melt into the skin. Then use a damp sponge to blend everything out seamlessly. This technique gives you a natural, full coverage finish which is perfect for that bold look. Once you've done it, let's add some dimension. Use a contouring stick to define your cheekbones, jawline, and sides of your nose. Focus on creating sharp, angular lines to give you that edgy, chiseled appearance typical of rock style. Who is your favorite rock star, by the way? Mine is Kurt Cobain. I used to know every song out of all his albums by heart. Can you imagine it? I can't.
Now it seems like I have completely forgotten the lyrics, but I still love the songs.
Now when we have everything blended out with our sponge, it's time to brighten and perfect. It's time to apply concealer under our eyes, around our nose, and on any flaws using our fingers first. This gives you better control and warmth. Then blend it out with your sponge for a smooth, flawless finish. This step really helps your features pop. Yeah, by the way, I'm using this silicone sponge instead of my fingers because I have long nails. So yeah, don't judge me and just watch the tutorial and trust the process. And while I'm blending this thing out, I will describe you the type of concert I'm going to. It's a rock concert where all the famous, greatest of all time rock hits will be played. But actually, there is a twist. And this rock concert will be played on cellos. Anyways, let's get back to our tutorial, and as you see, we are starting our eyeliner, which will be actually a double eyeliner, so we will be sitting here for a while, yeah. And now let's make those eyes stand out. Line your upper lash line with black eyeliner, then extend it into a wing. For added drama, create a second line above, making a double wing that's fierce and graphic. Feel free to exaggerate for maximum, like it's rock babe, why not? By the way, if you're struggling with your eyeliners every time, I have prepared a perfect makeup tutorial for you. It's very short but super informative, and I feel like you will not regret watching it at all, so check it out. As you can see, now I'm ready to move on to the next step, which is applying eyeshadow. And I am actually using a James Charles eyeshadow palette. It's not an advertisement, and I wish it was because I really would like to get the new palette, but actually, yeah, the shipping costs an arm and a leg, so yeah, not for me, not today. So we are applying the white eyeshadow first, just to create some kind of a base for the rest of our eye makeup. And our eye makeup, as you have seen, it was actually red, white and black, so these are the colors that we will be focusing on. The next step is adding some red color to our lower lashes.
Use tiny flat brush to make it delicate. Apply the red eyeshadow to the outer corner only.
And just gently apply it on your upper lid, like this, to the outer corner to make a very bright color right here. Don't forget to blend this red color out using a fluffy brush, and you have to blend it out towards the inner corner of your eye. I'm so happy about these results, to be honest. Yeah, I feel like some people would leave it here, like some people like it matte, but I will add some glitter a bit later. The next step is applying our blush. As you can see, I have already applied 2 small dots of very pigmented Catrice liquid blush, and the thing is, it has to be actually cool shaded. I feel like this way we will look more brutal. And meanwhile, you can see me applying some powder. The packaging says that it has no color, but I feel like it makes my face a little bit more pale. Next step is using some cool shaded pigmented contouring, and yeah, I am guilty. I'm using eyeshadow for that matter. I feel like there is no point in buying some dry contouring when you can actually use your eyeshadow that you don't actually use for your eyes. So yeah, this is what I do, and I don't regret it at all because this eyeshadow blends out nicely and it doesn't mess up my makeup at all or face. And now it's time for the love of my life. It's highlighter, and this one is like you see it, yeah, it's literally stunning. It's insane. It looks like I am an angel from heaven. And now let's make it even more glittery. Yeah, I have applied a bit more glitter from that eyeshadow palette, and it looks stunning. Yeah, I'm applying it to the inner corners. I feel like I don't need to explain anything. It's just 8. At this point I decided to add a little bit bronzer just to look a little bit more lively, if you know what I mean. And now it's time for our lips. For our lips, I'm using the red Stunning Lip Pencil. Firstly, I do a contour of my lips. It's just pretty simple. I try not to overline. I'm just following the anatomical contour of my lips. Then I apply a little bit of pencil and blend it out with my fingers like that. And in the end, I just apply a little bit of lip gloss with the plumping effect and get these stunning rocky lips. Let's move on to mascara. Now we are applying the mascara on every lash, every possible lash, as many layers as possible, but without doing that too messy. And for that matter, I just recommend practicing. I don't know how to learn how to apply mascara. It's just a matter of practice, and probably also a matter of mascara as well. I have tried a lot of mascaras, and it's just have to find the right one. Make mistakes but never give up. And here I am doing my hairstyle and realizing that I am completely late for everything. Yeah, just kidding, but yeah, usually I am. So yeah, I feel like I was kind of surprised that I managed to do this hairstyle. I'm not doing like something like a hairstyle tutorial because I'm still improving my skills in that field. But yeah, later that night I was told my hair looked really pretty, so yeah, I enjoyed it so much. Now it's time to fix everything. Yeah, we're doing this. Yeah, I hate it. I hate the smell of this thingy. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next videos. Bye!
The full list of used products is available for members of my channel. Link in the bio.